Whether you're here to achieve a certification in pet and animal Reiki, or you're purely learning how to perform energy healing on your own pet, I'd like to take a moment to thank you for allowing me to walk this part of your journey with you. I want to ensure that you have everything that you need to be the most efficient and loving healer you can be for your pet or animal. This includes everything from the basics of energy healing, how to perform a healing, as well as how to deal with the grief once our friends go back to the light. I'd also like to take a moment to thank you for recognizing that animals aren't just things without emotions, feelings, or importance. The fact that you are here with me now shows me that you would like to help all sentient beings live more healthy and fulfilling lives. For those not familiar with Reiki, you might hear me refer to it as energy healing, Reiki healing, just healing, or perhaps some other variety of terms. Just know that when I refer to those terms, I am referring to the same thing, which is Reiki or energy healing. What's more is what you're learning is actually a variation of what I teach my Reiki Master Certification students. But while this course is focused on animals, its efficacy and efficiency is no less strong, no less potent than what I teach my students when healing humans. What's more, you don't need to have any experience in energy healing in order to take this course. What's important that you do have is an open mind, an open heart, and a willingness to learn, love, and heal our friends in the animal kingdom. As you learn and practice my techniques, you'll be able to pass your loving energy healing on to your pets and animals, and you'll find that this effect will actually also spill into your life and improve your overall well-being as well. If you're taking this course to receive my Pet and Animal Reiki Master Certificate, there's only a few steps that you have to complete in order to achieve this. You simply need to be a Reiki Master already or have completed my own Reiki Master Certification course and then complete this course. But regardless of which path you choose, we're going to be following the next few steps together, which includes understanding the basics of energy healing, opening up your awareness, realizing that your thoughts, actions, and intentions all do matter. Practice when you're prompted to do so. Record the exercises as you're prompted to throughout the book. Please ensure when you enter in your information for those exercises that you go to the menu of the document and click File and Save so you don't lose any data that you do enter in. Then once you complete this course, you will actually have everything that you need, the experience and the skills to perform loving energy healing on pets and animals. And again, if you'd like to receive a certificate, just follow the simple steps at the end of the course book. And as with all my courses, please do take your time. You have as long as you need to complete this course. Remember, everybody learns at a different pace and in different ways, so don't be concerned about how quickly you complete this course. Keep your focus on the loving intention to heal animals and pets, and you will do just fine. And please remember, only perform healing when you are confident, ready, and sure that you are in a safe position when dealing with animals. Even with your best intentions, animals that are sick, scared, abused, or wild may be suspicious of your movements and presence, therefore they might react in a self-defense manner. So please ensure that you only practice on animals that you are confident to practice on, and if you're unsure, to not do it or perform and practice at a distance. So always make wise decisions when dealing with animals Do not place yourself or the animal in a dangerous or compromised position. Be wise, trust your intuition, but also please be safe. And lastly, I'd love if you kept my mantra in your heart as you progress through this course, which is, when you come from a place of love, you can do no wrong. You are beautiful just as you are. Namaste, and please enjoy this course.